The Equipment mobile app gives John Deere operators the tools to set up, operate, and maintain their equipment all from one mobile application. In this video, we will highlight the Equipment mobile app and how it connects operators to their equipment for easier operation and maintenance. Users can view and search operators' manuals, remotely update software, view equipment details, access factory maintenance plans and order parts, and utilize resources and tools for job preparation and completion. Operators will access the Equipment mobile app with the same username and password they access their Operations Center organizations with. Logging in with your username and password will allow you to load your equipment list that exists in Operations Center Web. The Equipment mobile app is supported for Apple and Android phone and tablet devices. Once the operator has logged in and selected the organization, they will then see the equipment associated with that organization. Equipment will be broken down by machines, implements, and devices. Devices will include JD-Link modems, Starfire receivers, and John Deere displays. Additionally, Deere technology content such as AutoTrack and AutoPath can be accessed with the search bar. Select the search bar, then enter in the model or serial number of the equipment desired. Operators can also scan barcodes of equipment to quickly access the equipment details using the barcode icon to the right of the search bar. The plus button near the top of the screen allows equipment to be added to the organization. Equipment will be labeled with the equipment name along with the number of pairings, JD-Link modems, and John Deere displays attached to the equipment. Operators can access additional information by selecting the piece of equipment from the list. Once the machine is selected, operators will see a Resources tab that will give them access to quick reference content, operator manuals, tools, and the ability to view parts from the parts catalog. One example of the tools available in Equipment Mobile is the grain loss calculator for combines. Note that content and tools will vary based on equipment type. Maintenance within Equipment Mobile allows users to track specific maintenance tasks for the majority of newer model machines with factory maintenance plans assigned. Add a note to the service interval, as well as provide a parts list, parts numbers included, that are required to complete all tasks in the service interval. The service intervals are based off the engine hours. JD-Link modems enable users to access remote machine metrics, while smart connectors provide users with local machine data. Operators can dive further into the connected devices by selecting either the JD-Link modem or Gen 4 display. When selecting their JD-Link modem, operators will have quick content information at their fingertips. Equipment information includes theory of operation, hardware, and LED status. Tools such as machine to wireless, mobile to machine, and MTG diagnostics will also be under the Resource tab. Pairings will show the equipment the JD-Link modem is paired with. Information will show additional information about the JD-Link modem. Selecting the display will give the operator access to the on-screen that is available on the display. We hope you have enjoyed this brief overview on the new John Deere Equipment mobile app. Thanks for watching.